So guys, now up to now we have completed this Metasploit basics. We have seen how to use the db underscore nmap to store the results in the database, and also we have scanned some ports and assembly enumeration and then exploited the XP machine, and we have seen the post exploitation commands. So one important thing I need to say is this Metasploit is very powerful tool, and it is also very nice tool because all those exploits have been tested thoroughly by Metasploit guys and have been updated each every 6 months or like 1 year. So what you want to do is, if this should be your tool in your arsenal, like it should be one of the tool, but it should not be the main tool for you, because in this Metasploit you are doing nothing, like you are not doing anything special. You are just using the exploits, using these commands and then running the exploit. So I want to tell this, make this Metasploit as a sidekick, and you do not put this Metasploit skill in your resume. So if you are applying for any pen testing jobs or any cybersecurity jobs, you just mention that I know Metasploit, but as a skill, uh, it's not that much good to put the Metasploit, because if you put some special skills like Python and buffer overflows and SEH overflows, and then if you keep the Metasploit, the HR will think that you may learn the Metasploit from recently, or you are just only the Metasploit. So that gives the bad impression about you when you put the Metasploit on the resume. So that's why you just mention that I know Metasploit, but not as a primary skill. So it should be like a one of the tool you use, but it should not be the main tool. So I have seen so many guys putting the Metasploit as a particular skill in the LinkedIn resumes. So I have seen many LinkedIn guys putting these Metasploit. So if I am HR, I will not select those guys, because everyone knows, every pen tester knows that Metasploit is like basic, and you're not doing anything. Metasploit is doing everything. So that's why I highly recommend, if you have the LinkedIn account, you never put the Metasploit in the skill section, also in your resume. So it's a, like, it gives some good impression. At least it does not give good impression, but it does not give a bad impression, right? That's why just don't put the Metasploit in your resume or in LinkedIn skills.